So obviously as a forklift trainer I have to instruct people to get a forklift license, and if they come in here obviously I have to make sure that I train them to the right standards and guide them through the course. At 4Ks we do a lot of training, so we do counterbalance, obviously we do novice courses, we do refreshers, we do conversions, we do reach stroke, we do PPT, and we do VNA and flexi. We carry out counterbalance, reach stroke, PPT at this centre. And then for VNA, we send people to our training provider. We have a partner that we work with, so we send people down there. We help people do their CV, so we sit down with them, have a little personal chat, and then obviously ask their skills and attributes, and then we help them make a CV, and then make sure that we help them get a job in the forklift sector, which is like we do it from our own will, and candidates really appreciate that. We have a 98% pass rate. So once people complete forklift license, obviously the chances of them getting a job is very high because there's a high demand for forklift drivers nowadays. Companies want people with forklift licenses.